Well, hello. We are coming to you from Myrtle Beach. Jason had booked this all by himself as a birthday present to me, just to have a nice couples overnight stay in an area I've never been to. I've never been to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, so this is my first time. Super excited, and welcome to Mere Vista. This is in a resort building called Ocean Forest Plaza, which is right on the beach. And I'm going to do a quick walkthrough tour of the condo. So we came in this door right here, and this is the entryway. And right away, we said to each other, oh, it smells really nice in here, super clean. The decor is unbelievable. It's so pretty. Just even signs like this are super cute. So I'm gonna go this way first, then I'll cut through the bathroom area and show you guys the bedroom last. This is considered, it is a Verbo, and it is promoted like a romantic couples getaway, and it absolutely fits the bill. It's exactly like it's pictured online, so they absolutely represent their place super well. I will say right away, this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. Jason found this place all by himself, booked it, and paid for it. So this is just our own personal walkthrough tour and just first impressions of the place. So this is the living area. It is beautiful, guys. I love all of the colors and just the coastal tones. It just makes me smile from ear to ear. Over here, you have a very cute coffee bar area. I giggled right away. I said, it's people after my own heart. They gave us a Keurig. You've got a lovely little thing to get you started. Pete's Coffee, Starbucks. We even thought this was a nice touch for people that don't drink coffee. They even give you iced tea, which is really cute. Tons of glassware, mugs, everything that you could want is all in here. You've got all of your serving stuff down here, which is really cute and super helpful. A lovely seating area. So beautiful. Looks like there's a guest book. We love this turtle. Absolutely great. Like I said, just all the decor, super, super, really pretty, amazing. You've got really cute stuff, like they give you beach towels to use. Tic-tac-toe is really cute. You've got a large flat screen TV. We were noticing right away. There is a lot in here. There is games, there is books, puzzles. It's just really, really thoughtful, just the amount of detail that these owners have put into their place. And this whole side is full as well of books and magazines and everything. Here's your kitchen area. Super pretty. I love it. I love the openness of it. You are well equipped here, guys. Dishwasher, stove, microwave, fridge. We thought this was super thoughtful. They've given you a little snack pack that you can use. Pistachios, sun chips, some water, which is really nice. They got their whole book here, which is like all the rules and everything. All of this is just really, really nice. Obviously, you know, you bring what you need here and you leave with what you come with. So we were looking, everything well stocked. Lots of plates, bowls, cups, everything. Oh, nope, that one's an empty one. Yep, I looked there earlier. Again, just a lot of stuff that you absolutely would need to use if staying a while here or even overnight. It's just, like I said, a lot of detail went into this place, and it's absolutely lovely. And so, bathroom. You can enter the bathroom either from this shared hallway, or there is a door coming from the bedroom. The bathroom is absolutely beautiful. You've got nice lighting. This vanity area is really pretty. It does come with, they give you hand soap, a body bar, great towels, stock of towels, big stand-up shower with a rain head, which is awesome, and also one that comes off of the wall. And like I said, you also enter from the bedroom. I will go in through the other door just so that you can see. Over here on the side, I thought was a super lovely touch, because if there's someone in the bathroom taking a shower or anything like that, and you're trying to get ready to go out, there is a little mirror vanity area here, which is like a little makeup area. They do have a hair dryer in here, which is amazing. And they give you what they say is enough to get you started. So you've got little shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion. You can use these to take makeup off. They also have disposable makeup removers. I thought this was a lovely touch because obviously it's really hard to get makeup off of white towels or white face cloths. So this is awesome. And just a really, like I said, just a beautiful touch. Any girl likes that kind of detail, and I noticed it right away. So this is the bedroom. It is very pretty, super lovely, and I have to say, super romantic. This is exactly what it looks like on Vrbo. This is how they actually advertise it, and this is what you get. So awesome, awesome touch. Shout out to the owners. You absolutely make people feel welcome and special, and it's just really romantic. The robes stay. I think they say online that the slippers are yours to take, so that's cute. And you do have also a TV in this room as well, and lots of storage if you are staying longer. We're here just overnight, so we probably won't be using any of this stuff. But once again, I love the touches for people that are here longer. This is super beautiful. I mean, absolutely stunning. And as you can see, lots of storage. There's an entire closet here, and there's your entry to the bathroom. Last but not least, I'm sure you could see as I was going through the living area, we're right on the beach, guys. So let's do it. Let's get out there. Oceanfront property. I love even the decor out here. It is absolutely beautiful. I love these like high, tall, like Adirondack chairs, which is beautiful for coming out here and sitting late at night or in the morning to have coffee. We noticed right away, I love how equipped they make you here. Like not only just the beach towels inside, but there's a cooler to take to the beach. And these two bins that are out here is full of everything that you could possibly need for the beach. So lots of beach chairs. There was like tons of beach umbrellas. There's like a little boogie board here for kids. There's a sunshade. Definitely a lot of thought, a lot of thoughtfulness went into this place. So just awesome. They do have an indoor pool that's open year round. I think it's either from like 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., one or the other. They do also have an outdoor pool. That's right there. That is seasonal. It isn't open right now because we are here in December. But last but not least, guys, beautiful, like stunning. This is great. That is the access to the beach right across the road from us. And it's just absolutely beautiful. So this is our home away from home for one night. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. Like we said, not sponsored. This is all Jason's doing and planning. So shout out to him. Thank you, babe. Love it. And if you liked the walkthrough, we will definitely link the Vrbo details in the description for you guys so that you know how to find Mere Vista online. And let us know what you think. Let us know what you liked. And if you have any questions about the resort or the condo, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you do have. like, share, and subscribe. We have tons of content always coming out, and hit that notification bell so that you know when our next video is out. Until next time, we will walk with you later. Bye, guys.